Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2017 Honda Civic to SR. Now of course, as standard on this Civic SR, you do get LED daytime running lights. As on the front grille, the previous owner has had the front grille wrapped in carbon fibre. You get 4 front parking sensors, and then you get these brilliant 17-inch tinted diamond cut alloy wheels as standard. As you can see, they have also had the wing mirror caps done as well. But walking around to the rear now, just showing you the rear alloy. Around the back of the car now, as you can see, you've got 4 rear parking sensors as well. You've also got a nice little reversing camera just up at the top there as well. Moving into the tailgate now, as you can see, we have got plenty of room in here. We've also got 60-40 split flat folding seats that do fold flat with this level just here. You then have this brilliant little pull-out privacy shelf just there, which does ensure maximum privacy for any belongings in the tailgate. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have got full cloth black interior with ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom. We've then got full electric automatic windows all round as well. In the front of the car now, as you can see, we have got your electric handbrake and brake hold. We've then got economy mode and your stop start on and off. We've got your CVT gearbox in the middle, and we have also got your dual climate control just here. This can be operated via the touchscreen display. Moving into the actual touchscreen display itself, we've got your satellite navigation. We have also got Bluetooth hands-free built into here as well, along with all the various audio sources just here, as you can see. Moving over to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume control, onboard computer control, voice assistant, and your Bluetooth hands-free. These arrows here work between the infotainment system and your onboard computer. We've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist, and distance control on the right hand side. And then we've also got your automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. As you can see, this car has only done 13,853 miles. But jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Honda Civic, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.